Hi, my name is Philip and I'm going to talk to you about contract law. First, I'm going to talk to you about the elements of a contract. Then, I'm going to mention the remedies in case of breach of contract. And finally, I'm going to tell you how to ensure the fulfillment on time of a contract. So, there are four basic and essential elements of a contract. The first one is called the offer. That's when the first party offers something to the second party or makes an offer. The second essential element of a contract is the acceptance, when the second party has accepted what the first party has offered. And when there has been an acceptance, then that brings us to the third element, which is the intention of legal consequences, where they create the contract and they make the legal binding, and they stipulate the clauses and obligations of each party. That brings us to the fourth and final element of a contract, which is the consideration. In the consideration, one of the party will fulfill their part of the contract only if the second party has something to offer or provides a benefit. So yeah, those are the four and essential elements of a contract. And now to the remedies in case of breach of contract. The most common one is called damages, and it will always benefit the injured party. And so what happens there is that the person that has breached the contract has to pay or come up with the amount of money that was stipulated in the contract from the beginning if it were fulfilled properly. So, if the contract were fulfilled properly, the person that has breached the contract has to come up with the amount stipulated and give it to the injured party. And that is in case of damages, the breach of contract. So that brings us to the final part of our presentation, which is how to ensure the fulfillment on time of a contract. And that could be by stipulating clauses and obligations, and by stipulating in the contract a time and date that the fulfillment of the contract will be over. If the person doesn't fulfill the contract in that period of time, there will be a breach of contract. And there are certain consequences according to what each party has agreed on. And that's the ending of my presentation. Thank you.